Hey everyone, it's Your Name, and today we're diving into the world of natural beauty remedies with a popular ingredient, coconut oil. This tropical treasure has taken the internet by storm, with claims about its ability to hydrate skin, tame frizz, and minimize wrinkles. But with so much information floating around, it's hard to know what's true and what's hype. That's why I decided to put coconut oil to the test on myself for a full 7 days. For the next week, I'll be incorporating coconut oil into my daily routine, applying it to my face and hair to see if it lives up to the hype. Stick around to see if coconut oil is the skincare and hair care miracle worker it's claimed to be, or if it's just another passing trend. Let's get started. Before we begin this coconut oil journey, let's take a close look at my starting point. My skin tends to be on the drier side, especially during the colder months. As for my hair, it's naturally wavy and prone to frizz, especially in humid weather. Could coconut oil be the answer? We're about to find out. For this experiment, I'm using 100% pure organic virgin coconut oil. I'll be applying the coconut oil both topically and as a hair mask. In the mornings, I'm using a small amount of coconut oil as a moisturizer, gently massaging it onto my face and neck after cleansing. In the evenings, I'm using a generous amount as a hair mask, applying it from root to tip and leaving it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing and conditioning as usual. After the first day of using coconut oil, my initial impressions are mixed. The coconut oil definitely left my skin feeling incredibly soft and moisturized. However, the coconut oil felt quite heavy on my skin, especially under makeup. As for my hair, it felt incredibly soft and manageable after the coconut oil hair mask. By day 3, I started to notice a few small breakouts appearing on my forehead and chin. Despite the breakouts, my skin still felt incredibly hydrated, and the dryness I usually experience was significantly reduced. My hair, on the other hand, was starting to look and feel amazing. The coconut oil seemed to have brought out my natural waves, and my curls looked more defined than ever. Day 5 and the breakouts I experienced on day 3 are starting to subside. My skin is looking much calmer and more even-toned. I'm still loving the hydration it provides, and my skin is definitely glowing. My hair continues to impress me. The coconut oil hair mask has become a staple in my routine. We've reached the end of our 7-day coconut oil experiment, and it's time to assess the final results. Overall, I'm impressed with how my skin and hair responded to coconut oil. My skin is noticeably softer, smoother, and more hydrated. The initial breakouts have completely cleared up, and my skin seems to have adjusted well to the coconut oil. My hair is the true star of this experiment, transformed into soft, manageable, and defined curls. So, is coconut oil the miracle beauty product everyone claims it to be? Based on my experience, I would say it definitely has potential. It's a powerful moisturizer for both skin and hair, and it can work wonders for those struggling with dryness or frizz. However, it's important to remember that everyone's skin and hair are different. If you experience any irritation or breakouts, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist. That wraps up my 7-day coconut oil experiment. I encourage you to try it for yourself and see how your skin and hair react. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with any skincare or hair care routine. If you do decide to give coconut oil a try, let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and hair care tips, and I'll see you in my next video.